expected to be on 8 feet of snow. We're talking about anywhere from 5 to 6 feet of snow in places like this, to upwards of 12 feet of snow, blowing at 100 miles an hour in the mountains above us. And this is expected to be relentless. We're talking about 2 to 4 inches of snow, perhaps every hour for the next 48 hours. That will absolutely shut down some of the major interstates in this area. It will keep people trapped in their homes, and so everybody right now is hunkering down. And the warning is, if there's no reason to be on the road,
already picked. Yeah, one more.